Clearing your search history on Slack can help maintain your privacy and declutter your workspace. Follow these steps to remove your search history effectively. Step 1. Open Slack. Launch the Slack application on your desktop or mobile device. Ensure you are logged into the workspace where you want to clear your search history. Step 2. Access Search. Locate the search bar at the top of the Slack interface. Click on it to activate the search function, which will display your recent searches. Step 3. View recent searches. Once the search bar is active, you will see a drop-down list of your recent searches. This list shows the terms you have previously searched for within the workspace. Step 4. Clear individual searches. To remove a specific search term, hover over the term you want to delete. You may see an option to remove or delete it. Click on that option to clear the individual search from your history. Step 5. Clear all search history. If you want to clear all search history, look for a Clear All option in the drop-down. Click on it to remove all recent searches at once, ensuring your search history is completely cleared. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on Slack, keeping your workspace tidy and your information private.